Hi friends, my name is Dr. Deepak Verma, and in this video we are going to make the cheapest video laryngoscope. We can see that there are different varieties of video laryngoscopes available in the market. We have Glidoscope, which is used most commonly in a lot of hospitals. It will cost you somewhere around 15 lakhs Indian rupee. We also have McGrath laryngoscope, which is smaller and will cost you around 1 lakh rupees. I have used both, and both of them are very comfortable and easy to use. Then there is portable intubation video laryngoscope (USP), which is new for me and will cost you somewhere around 75,000 Indian rupees. It's like an add-on to a direct laryngoscope, and which is very similar to the idea I am going to present to you today. Frankly, I am not very sure why all these scopes are so expensive. Okay, let's move on to the next section where we assemble the video laryngoscope. The things you are going to need to make a video laryngoscope is a direct laryngoscope. This thing is going to cost you 1,500 to 6,000 Indian rupees, and sometimes it comes with a detachable LED bulb which you can remove it as you don't need a light source. Okay, next you will need a mobile phone. You need a basic smartphone just only for a screen purpose. It can cost you somewhere around 4,000 to 5,000 Indian rupees. It only serves a purpose of a screen, and basic smartphones are lighter and easy to handle. And moreover, you don't need a high definition images. Okay, next you will need a USB camera. It cost me around 300 Indian rupees. I purchased it on AliExpress. I'm using a connector because my phone doesn't have a USB port. You also need to be sure that it is IP67 or IP68, which is waterproof marking. Then you need to download a compatible application to use it with your phone. Next, you will need a holder, something to hold the phone with the handle of the laryngoscope. You can use a selfie stick or you can use a phone stand. These things in the market can cost you around 200 to 1,000 Indian rupees. And finally, you will need something to hold everything together. In this case, I'm going to use a microprobe to put everything together. So friends, let's put everything together and see how does it work out. Okay guys, here we go. Our laryngoscope is ready to use. And you can control the light. You can adjust the brightness of the light source. You can see on the screen my hand. And let's see whether it works. You can see my hand on the screen, which is in front of the camera. So this works. Okay, let's see the prototype from all sides. All in all, it cost me less than 10,000 Indian rupees to make this. That too, when I buy everything new. So, you can imagine the profit margin taken by the companies. Buying a camera and a screen, which is so expensive, is like buying an Apple iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope we will meet again.